Palantir stock is crumbling, but it might be for reasons you are not aware of. Palantir recently just had quarterly earnings. The stock beat estimates on revenues, but missed on profits. But is this really the reason why Palantir is dropping? I think not. Taking a look at Palantir's chart here, you can see that the stock has had a nice significant run up, but a lot of experienced investors are aware that the lockup period is ending. Therefore, you've seen a huge sell-off. So why is the stock dropping? My opinion, the main reason is something called a lockup period. It is a period where early investors are not allowed to sell for either 90 to 180 days once the stock goes public. Those early investors are going to be angel investors, venture capital investors who invested in Palantir early while it was still a private business. Today, fourth quarter earnings were announced. 3 days from now, the lockup period ends. There are a lot of savvy investors who are aware of the lockup period and the lockup period ending. And so they know that in 3 days the lockup period ends and 80% of the shares can be sold. Here I have the S1 filing from Palantir. So while you may be hearing lots of reasons why Palantir stock has dropped recently, I'm very certain that this is the major reason why. Yes, the earnings were not the greatest, but again, when has any tech company in the big data space with fast growing revenues, earnings ever mattered? It simply hasn't. The main reason, the most likely reason, is because of the upcoming IPO lockup period ending.